Top 20 Christmas Tree Decorating Ideas. 1. Classic red and gold theme. Begin with the timeless beauty of red and gold. Picture shimmering golden ornaments, rich red ribbons, and twinkling fairy lights wrapping around your tree, creating a classic, festive look that never goes out of style. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button and join our journey for more exciting content. Let's stay connected. 2. Rustic woodland charm. Bring nature indoors with a rustic woodland theme. Imagine wooden ornaments, pine cones, burlap ribbons, and earthy tones. Add a few touches of faux snow, and your tree will feel like it came straight from a cozy forest cabin. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. If you're ready to bring the holiday spirit home, click the link below and grab your $20 Christmas tree today. 3. Silver and blue winter wonderland. Create a cool and elegant winter wonderland with silver and blue decorations. Picture shimmering snowflakes, frosted ornaments, and blue baubles, all glowing against the backdrop of twinkling white lights. It's a dreamy, icy wonderland in your living room. 4. Personalized family ornaments. Make your tree unique by adding personalized family ornaments. Imagine each branch holding a special memory, handmade decorations, family photos, or even ornaments with each family member's name. Every glance at the tree will warm your heart. 5. Whimsical candy cane theme. Bring a sense of fun and whimsy with a candy cane themed tree. Imagine red and white stripes winding through the branches, with oversized candy ornaments, peppermint decorations, and a touch of glitter for that sweet, playful holiday feel. 6. Vintage-inspired nostalgia. Travel back in time with a vintage-inspired tree. Picture glass ornaments, tinsel, and traditional lights, all in soft, muted tones. Add some family heirlooms, and your tree will glow with nostalgia, evoking the charm of Christmases past. 7. Minimalist Scandinavian style. For a clean, minimalist look, embrace Scandinavian-inspired decor. Imagine neutral colors, natural materials like wood and straw, and simple white lights. The beauty lies in the simplicity, creating a peaceful, serene holiday space. 8. Bright and bold with rainbow colors. Brighten up your tree with a splash of rainbow colors. Picture ornaments in every shade, from vibrant pinks to deep blues and cheerful yellows. It's a joyful, bold take on tradition that's sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. 9. Frosted and snow-dusted elegance. Turn your tree into a snowy masterpiece with frosted branches and snow-dusted decorations. Imagine white, silver, and soft gold ornaments shimmering against frosty needles, bringing the magic of a winter wonderland into your home. 10. Farmhouse chic with plaid accents. For a cozy, country-inspired look, go for farmhouse chic with plaid accents. Picture plaid ribbons, rustic stars, and wooden ornaments, all paired with warm white lights. It's a down-to-earth, inviting style that feels like home. 11. Nautical Christmas tree. Bring the ocean to your holiday decor with a nautical-themed tree. Imagine ornaments shaped like seashells, anchors, and boats, all in shades of blue, white, and sandy beige. A coastal Christmas that brings a wave of relaxation and cheer. 12. Monochrome elegance. Go for a chic, monochrome look with black and white decor. Imagine crisp white ornaments contrasted with bold black accents, creating a tree that's sleek, modern, and full of elegance. 13. Festive florals. Add a touch of natural beauty with festive florals. Picture bright red poinsettias, frosted white roses, or delicate winter greenery tucked between the branches. Flowers bring a fresh, elegant touch to your holiday tree. 14. Woodland creatures and natural elements. Add some woodland creatures to your tree for a magical, nature-inspired look. Imagine tiny owls, foxes, or deer nestled among natural elements like twigs, berries, and pine cones. It's a whimsical nod to the beauty of the wild. 15. Disney-themed tree. Bring the magic of Disney to your holidays with a Disney-themed tree. Picture ornaments shaped like Mickey, Minnie, and all your favorite characters, along with sparkly decorations that bring a sense of wonder to the season. 16. Gold and white luxe. Create an elegant and luxurious feel with a gold and white theme. Imagine glittering gold ornaments, white snowflakes, and satin ribbons catching the light, giving your tree a sophisticated glow that feels both festive and refined. 17. Black and gold glamour. Add a touch of glamour with black and gold decor. Picture sleek black ornaments accented with shimmering gold, creating a tree that's bold, dramatic, and perfect for a sophisticated holiday gathering. 18. Candyland Delight. Turn your tree into a Candyland delight with oversized candy canes, lollipops, and gumdrops hanging from the branches. Imagine your tree looking like a sweet shop, full of playful, colorful decorations that bring out the child in everyone. 19. Frosted pine cones and burlap. For a rustic, cozy feel, decorate with frosted pine cones and burlap ribbons. Picture simple, natural elements that bring warmth and texture to your tree, creating a look that's both elegant and homely. 20. All white with crystal accents. Transform your tree into a winter wonderland by decorating it all in white. Picture white ornaments, crystal accents, and soft white lights, creating a tree that sparkles like fresh snow under a bright winter sky. Whether you're drawn to classic elegance, playful charm, or a modern twist, there's a Christmas tree decorating idea to match your holiday spirit. This year, let your tree shine bright with joy, love, and a little bit of magic. Happy decorating!